Hello students, I am Professor Dhananjay and back with the new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about market equilibrium. So far, we have learnt about demand and supply side of market. But one question that always come in our mind is when does market is in equilibrium? That is, at what price and at what quantity trade takes place between buyers and sellers. Well, market equilibrium is a state at which quantity demanded and quantity supplied of a commodity are in balance or equal. At a market equilibrium, the buyers are willing and able to pay for a commodity is exactly equals to the sellers are willing to and able to sell of a commodity. Market equilibrium is a situation in which the market price has reached the level at which quantity supplied equals quantity demanded. The equilibrium price is the price that all buyers are willing to pay is exactly equals the price that all the sellers are willing to sell. And equilibrium quantity is that quantity where quantity demanded is equals to quantity supply of a commodity or service. The study of market help us to understand how demand and supply forces are interacting in the market. When the market is reached to equilibrium state, there is no tendency to change from that state, or this is a stable or balanced state. Market equilibrium can be analyzed by one, demand and supply schedule, second, through the interaction of demand and supply curve, and third, by solving demand and supply equation for equilibrium price and quantity. First, we will try to understand market equilibrium by market demand and supply schedule. This table shows the market demand and supply schedule of commodity X. In this table, when the price is 0, 11 units of commodity X are demanded and quantity supplied is -1. When price is rupees 1, quantity demanded is 9 units whereas quantity supplied is 1 unit. As price rises to rupees 2, quantity demanded falls from 9 units to 7 units and quantity supplied rises from 1 unit to 3 units. When price is rupees 3, quantity demanded is 5 units and quantity supplied is also 5 units. At this price, market is in equilibrium because at this price quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied, where the equilibrium price is rupees 3. If price increases from rupees 3 to 4, quantity demanded decreases from 5 units to 3 units and quantity supplied increases to 7 units from 5 units. Any further increase in price will fall the quantity demanded and increase the quantity supplied. It is very clear from this schedule that only at a price 3 quantity demanded is equals quantity supplied. Therefore, the market equilibrium takes place at that price where quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. From this schedule, we can find market equilibrium where the demand is equals to supply. When the demand is equals to supply of a commodity, the equilibrium price is determined at that point. In our example, the equilibrium price is rupees 3 and equilibrium quantity is 5 units. Let us try to understand the market equilibrium by interaction of demand and supply curve. When we plot the demand and supply schedule on the graph, we get the demand and supply curves of the schedule. Let me plot the demand and supply schedule just now we have discussed. In this graph, DD is the market demand curve of a commodity X and SS is the market supply curve of commodity X. The demand curve and supply curve are intersecting at a point E where market equilibrium takes place. At this point, equilibrium price is rupees 3 and equilibrium quantity demanded is 5 units and equilibrium quantity supplied is also 5 units. Any price than 3 rupees will cause to disequilibrium in the market. That is, the demand for commodity will be greater than supply of a commodity or vice versa. If the price is lower than equilibrium price, say rupees 2, there will be shortage of commodity X as quantity demanded will be greater than quantity supplied. At a price 2, quantity demanded is 7 units and quantity supplied is 3 units. Since there is a shortage of commodity, seller will try to charge higher price and this tendency will lead to rise in price and will reach to the market equilibrium price, that is 3 rupees, where quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. If the price is higher than equilibrium price, say rupees 4, there will be surplus of commodity in the market as the quantity supplied will be greater than quantity demanded. At a higher price, seller will increase the quantity supplied. At a price 4, quantity demanded is 3 units and quantity supplied is 7 units. Since quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded, there will be surplus of commodity X, which force the sellers to lower the price of commodity, and this will continue until the equilibrium price is reached. That is the price at which quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. That is nothing but 3 rupees. The equilibrium price is also called market clearing price. Once this price is reached, there is no tendency to change from this price. This is how we can find market equilibrium through the interaction of demand and supply curve. We can also analyze market equilibrium by solving demand and supply equations. Let us try to understand how to find equilibrium price and quantity by solving demand and supply equations. Suppose that the demand equation for commodity X is QD is equal to 11 minus 2P and the supply equation is QS is equal to minus 1 plus 2P. There are 3 simple steps to find equilibrium price and quantities, and these are: 1. Equating the demand and supply equations together. Second, finding the equilibrium price. And third, substituting equilibrium price into demand and supply equation to find equilibrium quantity. We have learned that at a market equilibrium, quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. To find equilibrium price, we will equate the demand and supply equation, that is QD is equal to QS. So the demand equation is equal to supply equation. 11 minus 2p is equal to minus 1 plus 2p. Now we'll solve this for equilibrium price, taking the price term on the one side and the constant to the other side. Making simplification of the terms, what we get is price is equal to 3 rupees. If the equilibrium price is 3 rupees, then at this price quantity demanded and quantity supplied will be same. In order to find equilibrium quantity demanded and quantity supplied, we shall put this price in demand and supply equation and solve for quantity. Solving this equation, we get quantity demanded is 5 units and quantity supplied is 5 units. It means that quantity demanded and quantity supplied are equal. Therefore, the equilibrium price is 3 and equilibrium quantity is 5 units. Remember, at equilibrium price, quantity demanded is always equals to quantity supplied. This is how we can analyze market equilibrium by demand and supply schedule through the interaction of demand and supply curve and solving demand and supply equation. Market equilibrium is a very important concept in economics because it helps us to understand how the equilibrium price and quantity is determined in the market. I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any queries, please ask in the comment box. Do like our video and subscribe our channel for getting notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.